Bay window installation in Houston, Texas, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay windows Houston styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their home's architecture. Bay window contractors in Houston offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing both residential and commercial bay window solutions. Custom bay windows in Houston are tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of homeowners. These windows offer unique bay window dimensions and features that can transform any space. Bay window customization allows for a personalized touch, ensuring that each installation complements the existing decor and enhances the overall look of the home. Energy-efficient bay windows. Houston are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed with advanced materials that provide superior insulation, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Bay window experts in Houston can guide homeowners through the selection process, ensuring they choose the best energy-efficient options for their needs. Bay window replacement in Houston is a service that many homeowners seek when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Bay window specialists in Houston offer comprehensive replacement services, ensuring that new windows are installed with precision and care. This service not only improves the appearance of a home, but also enhances its energy efficiency and security. Affordable bay windows. Houston are available for those on a budget, without compromising on quality or style. Bay window contractors in Houston provide a range of options that cater to different price points, ensuring that every homeowner can find a solution that fits their financial plan. These affordable options still offer the benefits and features of more expensive models. Bay window replacement in Houston is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of these windows. Regular bay window maintenance can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems, saving homeowners time and money in the long run. Bay window replacement services in Houston are provided by experienced professionals who can address any concerns promptly and effectively. Bay window design in Houston is constantly evolving, with new trends and innovations emerging regularly. Homeowners can stay ahead of the curve by exploring the latest bay window trends and incorporating them into their homes. Bay window enhancements, such as new materials and features, can significantly improve the functionality and appearance of these windows. Residential bay windows. Houston add value and charm to any home. These windows create a cozy nook that can be used for various purposes, from reading to enjoying the view. Bay window options in Houston are vast, allowing homeowners to select the perfect style and design for their living space. The benefits of residential bay windows extend beyond aesthetics, offering increased natural light and improved ventilation. Commercial bay windows Houston are an excellent choice for businesses looking to make a statement. These windows can enhance the exterior of a building, attracting customers and creating a welcoming atmosphere. Bay window solutions for commercial properties are designed to meet the specific needs of businesses, providing both functionality and style. Bay window upgrades in Houston can transform an ordinary window into a stunning focal point. By incorporating the latest bay window innovations, homeowners can enjoy improved performance and aesthetics.